Yun guys, nandito na tayo sa bagong spot natin, likod ng ilog. Tingnan natin kung may mahuli tayo. Alright, set up lang tayo gamit. Pain natin bulate, tapos floater. Malapitan lang naman tayo eh. Tingnan natin kung meron. Uy, uli ka. Isang yun. Baby. Baby tilapia. Ito nyo guys. Pero at least may isda. Laki plapla to, plapla. Kaya lang baby pa. Let's give it another try. Let's go. Sana yung nanay naman. Alright. Yung nanay naman. Bularo no. Binalik yung anak mo, ikaw naman kumagat. Let's go. Uy. Positive, may isda. Kita nyo yun guys. Up. Jaguar. Oh shit, lunok. Uy, meron na naman. Ayos tong spot na to ha. Hindi naman tinuluyan. Liit ng kagat. Uli. Yun. Kahoy ang puta. Okay guys, I think this is it. Thank you for watching. At least we got something. See you on our next fish hunt. Let's go!